Hi, good day, Ma'am Rodora Paipa. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Rodora Paipa. I'm 39 years old, high school graduate, married, and I have 3 kids.
All right. And then where do you live?
I live at Two Inares Residences, Paras, Rizal.
Okay. And then do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have no brothers, but I have 5 sisters. I'm six in the families.
All right. And then what is your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, thank you. And then how would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, trusty, honest, and a loving mother
Okay, and then may I know your reason why you want to apply abroad?
because I want to support our financial in the family, and I want to support my children because she's getting in a college.
Okay. And then do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have experience in Hong Kong in 2019, February to May, but I break the contract because the children of my employer hurting physically.
All right. And then, can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Hong Kong?
I do the household chores. I I'm I'm cooking, cleaning, uh, taking care of the children.
All right. And then, aside from working in Hong Kong, do you have any work experience locally here in Philippines?
Yes, I have working experience here in the Philippines in February 2020 to May 2023. I have my employer and 3 children, ages 15, 12, and 1 year old.
15, 12, and 1 year old. Aside from taking care of children ages 15, 12, and 1 year old, do you also do the household chores?
Yes,
All
yes,
right.
ma'am.
All right, thank you. And then, are you willing to take care again of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then what will you do if you become homesick?
I will make myself busy at work and do my household chores.
All right, and then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then how do you describe your cooking skills?
I know how to cook Filipino dishes like adobo, menudo, sinigang, and kare-kare.
All right, but are you willing to learn new dishes abroad, especially Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
All right. So do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Always, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So are you willing to share a room with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. For the last question, Ma'am Rodora, can you what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hello, ma'am and sir. I'm Rodora Ipaipa, 39 years old. I am trustworthy, honest, hardworking, and a loving mother. I promise if you hired me, I finish my 2-year contract in Hong Kong. See you soon. Thank you.